Hello kids, how are you all? I hope everybody is doing good. Okay, so today's tutorial is on Bhangra dance. As we all know, Bhangra dance is folk dance of Punjab and it is done on auspicious occasions like festivals, like weddings, like parties. So we're going to learn Bhangra dance today. Okay, so now before we start learning the dance, I want everybody to arrange one hanky and or a scarf and keep it in your pocket. Okay, so keep it inside your pocket because we are going to use it in the dance. Okay, so let's start the dance. Stand like this, okay, and point your fingers. Now take your hands on the right side up and pull the hands down 2 times. 1, 2, and then go on the left side. Do the same thing. 3, 4. Okay, let's try it faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After this, now we are going to push our right hand down, down, and then push your right hand up, up. Okay, so let's try 2 times down, 2 times up. 5, 6, 7, go. Down and down, up and up. Now while doing the step, make sure you keep bouncing. Okay, so what are we doing? Right, right, left, left, down, down, up, up. So your counts are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. After that, now we are going to take out the bulb. Okay, so how do you do that? Now do it with both the hands. And now cross your hands and take them on the right side. Now circle your hands and pull them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it 4 times. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, after this, open your hands, do balle 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 balle, and you take a circle from the left side. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so for all the 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try both the steps together from the beginning. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Very good. So next step. Next step is chicken step. How chicken flap its wing like this. Okay. So step your right leg in the front. Get your elbows here and you flap your wings 2 times. 1, 2. Now while flapping your elbows down, you lean forward. Okay, lean forward while flapping your elbows. Watch it. 1, 2. Now go backwards and hands up and do balle balle. Do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to do this step 2 times. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. Now let's move to the next step. Your right leg goes out and from your left side you will do balle. Then your hand comes in the center. 2. Then hand goes on the right side. 3. And on the 4th count you do a clap. Okay, so watch. Left, center, right, clap. And you do this 2 times. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So this step is also done for 8 counts. Now let's try from chicken step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is this clear? I hope the steps are clear till here. Okay, so what is the next step? Get your hands down, get your palms down and you will push your palms forward but on the right side down. 1, 2. Now from there you push your hands upwards on the left side. 3, 4. And then again down 2 times. 5, 6. Yes, this step will be done for 6 counts. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now when you do it downwards, make sure you bend your legs and do it down. Now when you do it up, stretch up as much as you can. Alright, now from there, next step, you will clap on the left side. Clap, clap. Take your right hand up and you do balle, balle. Now make sure both the hands are coming in. Okay, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this step is also done 2 times. Let's start. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now let's revise from down, down, up, up, which was for 6 counts. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes, now from there, now you're going to run forward, 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 forward and come back, 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 back. Or you can do a circle, 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 or circle, circle, circle on the other side. That is your choice. Now while doing this, you will take out your hankies. For example, you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8th count, you will stand like this. Okay? Let's try once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and be ready with your hanky or the scarf, whatever you have. Alright, so now what are we going to do on the right side? Now this is the right side, you're going to do 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to make circles but 4 times. Make sure your hanky is in your right hand. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do 4 circles on the right side, you're going to throw your hanky up 4 times. Now make sure you use your wrist to flick. Wrist se karna hai. Okay, let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. Up, 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 up. 4 times up. 4 times circles, 4 times up. Now this step is going to come 2 times. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this step is done 2 times. Now, moving on to the next step. You're going to throw your right hand up 1 and then get it down 2 and then again up 3 and on 4 down. So this is done for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it is faster. Okay, once again, let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do 4 times, now you're going to make circles again. How are you going to make circle? Take your right hand out and take your left hand out, and with the right hand, you're going to make 4 circles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're bouncing it. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, so we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now again, this step is done 2 times. How? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, now let's do the next step with the hanky. Now you're going to throw your hanky left side, center, right and then up. 3 directions. Left, center, right and up. Okay, let's try. Now this is done 3 times. So you will do this step 3 times. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total 3 times. Now after that, take your right hand up and you're going to do 4 circles. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after 8, you throw your hanky up. Watch. 5, 6, 7, 8 and throw. And that's where your song gets over. Okay. Now let's try all the dance step with the hanky or the scarf. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try all the dance steps from the beginning. Okay, now before that, keep your hanky in your pocket. Let's do it to the music. Go! So I hope you all were able to manage this Bhangra choreography. This was very simple choreography for all the kids. Okay, so do share your videos with me. I will be waiting for your videos. Bye bye.